2. 4 Core Concept. Speaking. 115. Scoring for the speaking section. 116. Party. Stating your purpose. 116. Part 2. Organizing your ideas. 121. Putting it all together. 127. Wrapping things up. The conclusion. 130. Contents V5 Core Concept. Writing. 133. Scoring for the writing section. 134. Part 1. Expressing your purpose. 136. Part 2. Organizing your ideas. 140. Part 3. Writing the perfect body paragraph. 153. Part 4. Concluding your response. 158. Grammar review. 161. 6 Vocabulary. 165. Vocab, vocab, vocab. 166. Root words. 184. Part 3. Cracking each section of the TOEFL. 193. 7 Cracking the reading section. 195. Cracking the reading section. Basic principles. 198. Cracking the reading section. Basic approach. 201. Putting it all together. 208. 8 Reading practice drills. 243. Reading practice drill number 1. 244. Reading practice drill number 2. 249. Reading practice drill number 3. 253. Reading practice drill number 4. 258. Reading practice drill number 5. 262. Reading practice drill number 6. 266. Reading practice drill number 7. 270. Reading practice drill number 8. 274. 9 Reading practice answers and explanations. 277. Reading practice drill number 1. 278.